Hey there, horse lovers! So, you've got a young horse and you're ready to kickstart its training in just one day? Sounds ambitious, right? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it with a little humor and a lot of heart. First up, let's talk about preparation. Make sure your horse is comfortable and relaxed. Spend some time grooming and bonding with them. Think of it as a trust-building exercise, as if you're saying, "Hey buddy, I know you're new to this, but we've got this together." Now let's move on to groundwork. Start with leading exercises. Remember, the goal is to get your horse to respect your space while feeling secure. Walk forward, stop, back up, keep it simple. You might feel like you're teaching a toddler how to walk, but patience is key here. Next, lunging. This is where you'll get your horse accustomed to voice commands and moving in a circle around you. Use a long lunge line and keep your sessions short. Let's be honest, nobody, horse or human, wants to run in circles all day. Okay, now on to desensitizing. Introduce your horse to new objects and environments. Think plastic bags, tarps, and noisy items. Sure, you might feel like you're setting up a haunted house, but it's all about making your horse brave and confident. Then it's time for saddle and bridle introduction. Start with a gentle approach. Let your horse sniff and get used to the tack. Place the saddle on gently and tighten gradually. Think of it as a spa day, relaxing yet productive. All right, moment of truth, mounting. Stay calm and confident. Your horse will take cues from you. Use a mounting block to make it easier for both of you. And once you're up, keep it simple. Walk around, steer gently, and most importantly, keep talking to your horse. A little encouragement goes a long way. Finally, end the day on a positive note. Give your horse a good grooming session and plenty of praise. They've worked hard and so have you. Remember, today is just the beginning. Consistency and patience are key to long-term success. So there you have it. One day to jumpstart your young horse's training journey. It's all about building trust, taking it step by step, and having fun along the way. Thanks for watching, and happy training. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your training stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep those hooves happy.